everyone, and today I'm opening my parcel of the BGD doll that I ordered from Newcastle, from Family the Toy, from Exile that made this doll with a 3D printer. Let's see what's in the box. So inside the packet is a nice box, and in the box are 3D doll. Dear Lise, thank you for supporting our small business. Thanks for ordering the complete doll with no face up. Hope Layla bring you a lot of joy and many blessings. Sincerely, Exile Fine Art. Hi everyone, so I received my BGD doll from South Africa from R3D Doll. And I got a letter with my parcel. Dear Lise, thank you for supporting our small business. Thanks for ordering the complete doll with the no face up. Hope Layla bring you a lot of joy and many blessings. Sincerely, Exile Fine Art. So I am going to open the box. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So in the box I got Layla's certificate of Authenticity Layla. Hierby word gesertifiseer dat hierdie 3D poppie oorspronklike handontwerpte kunswerk is. The certifies that this doll is an original 3D handcrafted works of art. Model 3D ball jointed 45 cm, color, natuurlike filament, uitgawe, edition no 3D DL01, geboortedatum the 30th of June 2026. And then there is also extra writing that you can read if you get a doll like that or order this doll. And I got a letter. It's in Afrikaans. Hey, my naam is Layla. Ek kom van 'n familie wat baie lief is vir mekaar en ons is lief vir die buitelug en veral die see. Moontlik die rede vir ons buiteaktiwiteite is omdat my ouers marine biologist is. Ons doen die lese dinge saam en spandeer ook tyd saam met ons familie en kyk waar ons mekaar kan help en ondersteun, veral wanneer jy nie altyd op jou beste is nie. Geloof en liefde dra ons almal saam met ons. Ek het lank gereis om uiteindelik by jou uit te kom. Ek bring kalmte van die see en die wonderlike somer saam met my. Pas my mooi op, want ek dra 'n stukkie van die oseaan in my lyfie saam. Also another letter with this 3D doll care guide. Thanks for choosing our 3D doll. Hope she brings you a lot of joy and many blessings. Avoid direct sunlight for prolonged periods. Be careful when dressing and undressing the doll. Avoid water. Doll can't swim. Remember, this is a 3D doll and have imperfections. Handle with care. She is delicate, and also in Afrikaans. So with this box, I got a beautiful dress. This is a beautiful handcrafted dress. Also a pair of shoes. A handbag, some hair clips. One for you and one for Layla. And one for me. And some beautiful bead sandals. So the excitement is over. I'm gonna open Layla. Specially packed nicely. Wow, I can't believe it. She is so beautiful. Wow, I am so happy. Really, I am. I'm so impressed. She is such a beautiful doll and I love her hair color. She is really, really beautiful. There is two types of heads. The fantasy and the real. Semi-real or real. And I choose the real. And I'm really happy with her. She is beautiful. I love her costume and the skirt that comes with the costume. So, like they say, it's a 3D printed. There might be imperfections, but she is beautiful for me. I love her. She's really beautiful. And I'm happy. I am so happy. I love her wig. But that will be extra if you order, unless you order the full set. The eyes will also be extra if you don't order the full set. And of course, If you want to paint her, you can paint her. She is not painted. And you can also get different kinds of colors. And if you need the extra hand or extra leg, you can order that as well. Thank you, R3D Doll Exile. I can't tell you how much I adore and love this beautiful Layla. And I will look after her. She is gorgeous. I really love her. She's beautiful. And she will be part of my collection. Thank you so much. Can't believe it, so beautiful. I sing and I dance and I'm so happy. Thank you so much. I just adore and I still love her. Thank you. I'm really so impressed with this mini smarter doll. I can't tell you how impressed I am. Like they say, handle with care. She got this cute little face. I just like and love her blue eyes. So, order your own R3D doll. Fantasy or real. You can choose semi-real. And she is so beautiful. I can't tell you how much. I'm so happy that I ordered. And I'm the first one who ordered. Thank you, Exile. She is precious. She's really precious to me, Layla. Thank you. So this is my art 3D doll, Layla, from Exile Fine Art. She is a 3D printed doll especially made for me. She wears a wig and she got beautiful blue eyes. She still needs a face up. And this doll I especially purchased, so I wanted to create my own beautiful face for her. And this is why these dolls are made for, so you can design and create your own creation. Whether it's clothing or if you want to do some face art or face paintings, you can use her and design what you love to make. I love painting, I love art, so I wanted to buy this doll for myself so I can outlive my own imagination. She is fragile, and although I must handle her with care, she is not a doll to play with. She is a very fragile doll, and there is no other doll like her in South Africa. And I'm very blessed and I'm very happy to support Exile from Fine Art or 3D Doll Creations. So from me to you, thank you for watching. Blessings.